Hey guys, welcome back to my no shit.
4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I've been gone for how long? Yeah, that's too long. But anyways, so I'm back. This is a real quick hair review. Yeah. So let's get into this AliExpress hair review. This is the Peruvian straight hair from Lumiere hair company on AliExpress. The bundles were, I mean, you get what you pay for, basically. You can tell. But I have 230s, 228s, and a 26. And I know I have like more bundles too because I have a lot of hair left over that I didn't use. And the tracks are like super long. But the hair comes really, really silky and shiny. Don't ever judge a book by its cover, right? Because look at it now. This ain't silky. No luscious. Okay, but anyway, so I've washed this hair about 3 times now. And I wash it with this shampoo and conditioner. I've tried a couple of them, honestly. But I'm going to show you the 2 that I've used. And also, when I tie up my hair at night, I'll braid it. That's why it's in this like crinkle state right here. This is my leave out. Child, don't come for me because I'm so ready to take this damn hair out. I need Camille to help me. Camille's my sister. Thank you very much. And she put it in too. So thank you for the install, boo-boo. She about to take it out too. Y'all gonna hear YouTube in the background this whole video. I'm not doing a voiceover. I'm not muting any parts of the video. I might mute a couple of parts of the video. But other than that, you gonna hear YouTube videos in the background. They're my niece. Story of my life. All my life I had to fight. But I mean, come on, man. Come. Really? Look. Even my leave out is not even cooperating. So this shit. You live and you learn.
I will be Superman.
It's like every time I go to record a video, there's always something that appears on my face. I swear my face be so clear when I don't want to do no damn video. All of a sudden, my hair's fucked. Oh yeah, and let me add to that. So I'm in the car now, but anyways, I wanted to also add that I don't really get compliments on this hair. I get compliments on the color. That's all me. I do the color myself. My color always come out bomb. I know I do a bomb ass bleach job, but I never hear, oh my god, your hair's so pretty. Girl, I know it's not. Like, stop. I just know next time when I choose some hair that it's gonna be A1 quality hair. I mean, AliExpress now is like hit and miss, literally. Like, you're literally better off buying at the beauty supply. But damn, I just want to get compliments on my fucking hair. Can I get that? No. I've never had Peruvian hair before. This is my first time. I either do Malaysian, Brazilian, or raw Indian hair, and I have to say this is a really bad experience with some hair, especially this length too. But I rated a 4 out of 10. I mean, it's long, whatever, but it sheds so much. It's nappy. And not to mention, for me to achieve the color of my hair, I had to, I don't know, bub, but in order for it to be the color of my hair, I had to dye it about, no, I had to bleach it. I'm sorry.
I can't do it.
You can't do it? What happened? It died?
No.
Oh. I had to bleach my hair. Wow. I had to bleach it. Damn, 3 times. I had to bleach it 3 times. I used 40 volume. Both hands, yes. Hold that thought. And this video is being brought to you by no other than Snapchat. And yes, I'm using a Snapchat filter. I thought I'd play around with it. And I'm using my phone. Obviously, I'm using my phone with the Snapchat filter. The hell? Stupid. Woo! You out here pulling my damn hair out. I'm not. I'm pulling this weed out. I show y'all Mickey, but she ain't got her wig on. And by the way, she sell wigs. Hit her up. Bye. Don't say you know what, Bree. Anyways, so this hair, you guys, is the for me. Like, no. There's Autumn. Bub, are you gonna move? Watch out. Go over there. Okay, thank you. Well, guys, that's it for my video. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave me a comment below and tell me what is the best hair you've ever bought, or what's the worst hair you ever bought. It could even be from a beauty supply. I don't care. I'll try them all. But thank you guys again for watching. Bye.